Now let's talk a little bit about user experience, because there can be no course about web design without at least mentioning user experience. So far, we focused essentially on visual design of user interfaces. Designing the user interface means to design the presentation of a product, like a website or a mobile application. It's designing the look and feel of the product. So that is what we've been looking at so far. Now, there's also another type of design which is very important, and that's the user experience design. User experience is the overall experience that the user has with a product. User experience includes the user interface, but also has to understand the whole picture of the product. It's not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. That is a very well-known quote from Steve Jobs about user interface and experience design. Now this picture is a good explanation of the difference between just designing the presentation of a product or designing the whole experience. So the bottle on the left side may be beautifully designed, but it doesn't solve the user's need to get ketchup out of the bottle as quick as possible. So the bottle on the right side tries to solve that problem by designing a pleasant overall user experience. It's also beautiful, but at the same time, it works. You can think of user experience in terms of users' goals and business goals. A user experience designer needs to align those goals so the business benefits when the user reaches their goal. Imagine, for example, that you're running a website where you want to give away for free an ebook in exchange for an email address. The user's goal here is to learn about the specific subject of your book, and your goal is to get the email address of your customers. For example, so you can try to sell them something later. Now, you gotta make sure that your design makes the best possible job in achieving both goals. User experience is a huge field and requires a lot of things to study and to analyze, but I felt like I should at least tell you some very basic things about it. I will also give you the link to a great free user experience crash course if you're interested. Find the link to that course in the ebook.